A nuclear power plant sounds terrifying. The second you see one, you think, okay, this is definitely a villain's secret base. The huge towers, the steam, the word nuclear. It feels like you shouldn't even get close. But here's the plot twist. A nuclear power plant is basically just a giant kettle. The whole point is simple. Heat water to make electricity. So how do we go from tiny atoms to powering an entire city? Let's break it down. 1. The goal. Spin a turbine. You need to understand something. Every power plant works the same way. Coal, gas, nuclear. It's always hot water, steam, a turbine spinning, and we got electricity. That's it. It's basically a steam-powered machine. So the real question is, why does nuclear heat things up so much? 2. Fission, splitting an atom. Inside the reactor, we use uranium. Uranium atoms are unstable. When a neutron hits one, the nucleus splits in two. That split releases a huge amount of energy. This is called fission. And it gets crazier. When the atom splits, it releases more neutrons. Those neutrons hit other atoms, so the reaction keeps going. That's a chain reaction, like dominoes, but every domino produces heat, so obviously, we need to control it. 3. Control rods, the chill button. That's where control rods come in. Control rods absorb neutrons, so more rods and means the reaction slows down. Rods pulled out means the reaction speeds up. It's basically the reactor's brake system, like turning the stove up or down, except the stove is an atom reactor. 4. Why is nuclear so powerful? Nuclear energy is powerful because it comes from the nucleus. Coal is a chemical reaction. That's like burning wood. Nuclear is an atomic reaction. That's like unlocking the energy of a star. A tiny amount of uranium can produce as much energy as tons of coal. That's why nuclear is basically cheat codes. 5. What about the smoke? People see the towers and think, that must be pollution, but it's not. That white cloud is just steam, water vapor, no burning, no direct CO2 emissions. Those towers are basically giant cooling systems, a cloud factory. 6. Is it dangerous? A nuclear power plant does not explode like a bomb. That's not how it works. The real danger is radioactivity. The waste stays dangerous for a long time. That's why nuclear plants are built like bunkers. Thick concrete, cooling systems, strict safety rules. Because with nuclear energy, you cannot afford mistakes. So a nuclear power plant is basically splitting atoms to make heat, to boil water, to spin a turbine, to generate electricity, so you can watch Netflix. And yeah, it's both amazing and a little scary.